Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet heart using two colors, and it looks so cute and beautiful. I hope you will like this video. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. So let's start. I'm taking the medium yarn and the hook size is 3.5 mm. And first of all, we have to make a magic ring. Then after making a magic circle, we have to make chain 3, then 3 triple crochet in the circle, after making 3 triple crochet, I have to make 3 double crochet in the magic circle. Now chain 1, triple crochet in the magic circle, now here time to join the other yarn. I'm taking this medium size yarn. Now again chain 1, three triple crochet in the circle, double crochet. We have to make 3 double crochet in the magic circle, then 3 triple crochet in this magic ring or magic circle, after making 3 triple crochet in the ring, we have to make 3 chains and we'll make slip stitch in the magic ring. We have to pull the yarn, tighten up the heart. Now slip stitch in the circle. As you can see, our heart is completed here. This looks so beautiful and it's very easy to make. I hope you will like my video. Please share it with your friends and family who are beginners of crochet. There are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well, and for more videos, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much.